Welcome to another video. We have something super special planned today. We have partnered with an app called Clawy, and we are going to be going on an adventure trying to win prizes. And honestly guys, I am super excited. My objective today is to do some Christmas shopping via claw machines through my phone. Guys, everything you see here is 100% real prizes. You're playing on real machines. You're just controlling it through your phone. So guys, I have a code.
If you use this code right here, you'll get 20% extra coins.
But if you don't have any money, it's okay. It's free to play until you win, and then you become a VIP. It's really simple. All you have to do is download the app, figure out which prizes you want to go for, catch them, and then they'll mail them to your front door. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm super excited. If you guys are excited for this video just like I am, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and let's get started. First thing that I love is that at the very top you can choose different categories. So there's plushes, huge plushes, gadgets, which that's what I'm extremely excited about. Oh, what's must go? Look at this, they got a clearance section. You guys know that we love a clearance section, so we are gonna be hitting this hard. One thing I want to mention before we get started is they do a ton of promotions, special events. They have a huge variety of prizes as well as bonuses. And speaking of bonuses, if you guys invite friends, you guys will get bonuses as well. So be sure to do that and let us know which prizes you want to win. I'll be playing every day because there's new prizes every day and I don't want to miss out. One thing that I think is super cool is you can actually watch people play, as you can see right here. You can even see a video of the last person to win the prize. Just check out, maybe get, some tips or get an idea of what you need to do to win. Super simple. So what is gonna be the first thing that we go after? So there is a ton of cute prizes, but first things first, we're gonna go after some stocking stuffers for Jasmine. So I am searching for something I think she'll like. Let's see what we can find. Let's go to beginners because I've never done this before. I know she loves cactuses, so that Cactus Wallet might be something we can go for. Let's see. You know what? Let's go for that, guys. First things first, Cactus Wallet. All right, so let's click the play button. Oh, there's a long line. Oh, that's so cool, man. These are real claw machines, which means that you're gonna sit in line just like you would if you were at some type of game place. Like, it's crazy. I didn't even think about that. Low key, I'm having a little anxiety. I need a little snack while we wait. Pringles, take away the tingles. Oh, you got 20 seconds left, baby. Coach is calling. Hit the game-winning shot. Let's go forward a little bit. We're dropping in. Let's go. Oh, baby. 3 of them. Let's go. Look at that. Easy money, man. My baby's getting everything. So what's really cool, guys, is that you can actually go back and actually watch the video of you winning it, so you can share with your friends, which I think is super cool. Just click the button, you can message it, you can post it on Instagram, you can send it anywhere. I'm gonna challenge you guys. I'm gonna challenge you guys to catch at least 3 items and then share with me in the comments what you caught. I'm at 1 right now, so I gotta complete this challenge myself, but we're in this together. All right, Ellie, I have not forgot about you. We're gonna play for some earrings right here. Oh wait, it is my turn. We need to switch the camera real quick. Let's see if we can secure these bunny earrings. Oh my gosh. Come on. Let's just go for it. Right here. Can we get them? Yes! Favorite color red, baby. There we go. We have won some bunny earrings. Look at that, man. Those are gonna be so cute for Easter. That is perfect. Let's celebrate with the Pringle. That was fun, dude. I'm not gonna lie, it's super fun. My favorite Pokemon growing up was Gengar. So guess what we're playing for, guys? We're gonna play for Gengar. 340 coins. Oh, I forgot I have to be a tier 2. That's awesome. You could comment little meme emojis or whatever you want to call these. Look at that. All right, here we go. 1 tap, hold it down to the back, let it go. We got him. We got him. Oh! Bro! My heart. Let's go home. We've leveled up. Let me know in the comments if you played Pokemon, who was your starter? You know, red, blue, green version, yellow version. Personally, I was a red version guy. I'm gonna see how the avocado gods are treating me. We're gonna go after this avocado plushie. This thing is extremely cute. And let's go ahead and play for it. Back. Ooh, that looks good right there. That looks real good. Come on. Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Come on. Avocados have always been slippery, man. Charmander? If I win this, you guys have to download the app. Use my code, get 20% off because you know you want one of these for your collection. First try, I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. Little tap. Let's go back. Get the box ready, baby. Get the box ready. Cause you're coming home, baby. We get you by the tail. Honestly, even when I lose, man, it's so much fun. We're gonna play it again because you guys are downloading the app. I told you guys, when I get this, you guys are downloading the app. I got him. There's no getting out of that. There is no getting out of that. Look at that, baby. You win. Charmander Char. We got him. Guys, I've already won 3 prizes. I told you guys, can you guys get 3 prizes? I've met the challenge. Can you guys do it? We just tiered up. So now we've unlocked more prizes. Guys, how cute are these avocado earrings? I need to get these for my daughter. And they're only 55 coins. Let's go ahead and play this. Let's see if these avocados are as slimy as the last ones. I'm on it. I'm on it. Cha-ching! Easy, baby. You win some avocado earrings. That was fun, man. I got those. We're starting to do better. Starting to figure it out. There's like, I don't know. It's just like any game. You have to just do it for a while and it all just falls into place. Have you guys commented below letting us know if you accept the 3 prize challenge? Because I am now on prize number 4. That's so cool. You can see him stocking it up. I'm telling you guys, it's real life. It's real stuff. Guys, I walk out here and look at what Jasmine is playing.
I got the unicorn keychain.
I literally just needed a new battery for the camera.
It's fun.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You win some. Magic carpet, baby. You lose some. What happened? But it is so much fun. Again, I highly recommend you guys use the link in the description to download as well as buy coins. And let us know what you won down in the comments. I challenge you guys again to win 3 things. And then let me know what you guys win. Let me know what you guys are targeting. Had a ton of fun. Shout out to Clawy for sponsoring today's video. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.